Hi everyone! In this video I'm showing you how to make button clasps for crochet bracelets or crochet necklaces using simple crochet stitches. When your crochet bracelet is done, take one side of the bracelet, make a chain, and make single crochet stitches in the first row. One chain, turn the work around, and again in each stitch make one single crochet. In this case I'm making 6 single crochet stitches. Now do this for 2 or 3 more rows, and as a result we're gonna have 3 to 4 rows of single crochet stitches. Now for the other side we need to make a buttonhole. Again single crochet stitches for the first row, one chain, turn the work around, now for the second and the third row make single crochet stitches again. One chain, turn the work around, in the next stitch one single crochet, 4 chains, skip 4 stitches, in the 5th one single crochet again, 1 chain, turn the work around, 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Now around this string make single crochet stitches. And in the last stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 chain, turn the work around, and make another row of single crochet stitches again. And that's it. Now sew a button here, and we have a button clasp. In this series of videos, I'm focusing on different ways to make closures for our crochet jewelry and accessories. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.